Hello guys, this is Your House Fitness. My name is Min Young, and we're going to walk through all of the punches that we went through. So jab, cross, left hook, right hook, and uppercuts. So as we remember, jab is 1, cross is 2, left hook is 3, right hook 4, and then the uppercuts. Remember that as you're throwing these punches, there's always a sequences in those punches. So if, for example, if I'm throwing a 1-2, there's always a lot of weight distribution in each punches. So in this stance, if I'm throwing a 1, my body is kind of shifted to the right side. As I'm throwing a cross, it's always momentum that's going into your punches. So if I'm throwing a 1 and then a 2, my weight is already distributed from left to right. Same goes for hooks and uppercuts. So if I were to throw a hook, left hook, I'm already on the right side, throw it up right. And as a combination, I can throw a 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Or a 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. And you can also add some uppercuts in it. So 1, 2, 3, 2, and uppercut. And for the whole process with also breathing out is this. So always remember, as you're punching, you always want to shift your weight, pivot your foot. So as I'm jabbing, remember the spring of your foot. Your cross will be pivoting your legs. And as you're throwing the hook, you also want that weight distribution, momentum, and also your uppercuts as well. So these are the fundamental approaches on how to throw these sequences of punches. And I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, link in the description.